Stop.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Subscribe!
Fellow educators, hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're getting into an engaging activity called Feeding the World, which can complement your English class while teaching the kids about some important global issues. This activity isn't just about having fun. Although there will be some friendly competition, it connects to two key Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, and they are no poverty and quality education. By exploring how education impacts food security, students develop a deeper understanding of these critical issues while practicing essential communication skills. So how does it work? Well, this has to be a teamwork activity. So we split the class into 3 groups. We got farmers. These are like the folks on the ground facing tough droughts and low yields. They practice describing problems and proposing solutions in a clear and concise way.
Hello, we are the farmers and we received 50 million from the politicians, and we're gonna explain what did we divide it to.
So for transportation, we have spared 1 million from 50, and for harvesters, we have bought 70 for 12 mil, and tractors for 12 mil, we bought 140 tractors.
We got scientists to get into real-world advancements like drought-resistant crops or sustainable farming techniques.
So hello, we are the scientists, and so far our dear policymakers have decided to fund us with $50 million for our research. And our research is going to be about how we can help farmers to overcome the problems that they're already facing. We came to the conclusion that the main problem so far is global warming, so our research is going to be about how to genetically modify plants to be able to fight off the effects of global warming.
And finally, we got the government officials or the policymakers. These are the budget bosses who decide how much money goes where, which in fact encourages critical thinking, persuasive language, and negotiation skills.
So what are you exactly going to do?
So we'll be splitting 100 million to farmers and scientists to provide them with education and equipment.
Now, once everybody is prepared, it's negotiation time. Each group gets to present their needs and ideas. Farmers explain their struggles, scientists show off their brainy discoveries, and government officials try to find a sweet spot that works for everybody. So what's so awesome about this activity? This activity is all about working together to fix real-world problems, just like the ones we face with food security today. Students learn how to communicate, listen to each other's ideas, and see things from different angles. They analyze challenges, they evaluate solutions, and become critical thinking superstars. Now, in the end, after much research, discussion, and negotiations, students work together to prepare a document which summarizes their findings and solutions. So the activity will not only boost your students' English skills, but also foster global citizenship and critical thinking. Give it a try in your classroom and let me know in the comments below how it goes. By the way, I got a special playlist dedicated to English class activities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative and educational content to enhance your lessons. Thank you.